Hey, crypto family. So, this is probably some of the biggest news that you're going to hear about all month. And I actually found this out from my good friend M. Pavlovsky. So, if you haven't followed him on Twitter, definitely follow him on Twitter. He has a great Discord chat as well. But this article says whale alert 66,000 Bitcoin just sent from an address not active since 2014. And this article just came out today, probably at least an hour ago. And not many people are talking about it right now. I actually haven't seen any articles by CoinDesk or Cointelegraph, so it's still definitely fresh off the press. But it says here, it has just been announced by Crypto Potato that a BTC address that has not been active since 2014 just moved 66,233 Bitcoin, which is worth something like $257 million at the current market prices. Now, this is insane to have this amount of Bitcoin moved, especially from a dormant address. And that begs the question, is this Bitcoin about to be sold? So we may have some FUD in the market from that. Again, we'll have to see what happens. But it says the sending wallet was among the 20 largest Bitcoin wallets, and the receiving wallet is of unknown ownership. So they don't know who it was sent to. The amount transferred is larger than yesterday's volume on Binance or Bittrex. So this is by no means insignificant. It should be noted that the receiving wallet then sent many smaller transactions to other wallets. Following are some screenshots of the wallets, but the original can be found here and here. And if you click on those links, you'll see here from the blockchain website, the number of transactions 190, and you can see they sent it to this one address here, 66,233 Bitcoin. That is insane. Then a lot of these smaller transactions. So it's very interesting to see, what's transpired here and exactly what's going to happen with all of this Bitcoin. Now, people are still wondering, this is the receiving address, and people are still wondering where this Bitcoin, where it went to, if it went to an exchange, went to someone else's wallet, is it just going to be stored somewhere else? Again, no one knows. And then scrolling down, it says the owner of the final destination is unknown. If it is an exchange, this could mean another dump is imminent, but that doesn't mean anyone should panic. For now, it's probably best to watch the addresses, follow any transactions, and wait for updates. So again, this is really crazy. To have this much Bitcoin moved in, that short amount of time. It's still anyone's guess as to what could happen with that. But, one thing's for certain, definitely play your cards safe. If you're in a long position, definitely set your stops. If you're in a short position, always be ready because it could go either way right now. But, I'm just going to wait to see what happens and monitor those addresses to see exactly, where they go, if they move anywhere else, or if there's any spiked volume on any exchanges. So with that, let's go ahead and look at the market and what's happened. So fortunately, we had another down day today. Bitcoin's down 6% to $3,907. We have Ripple down almost 5% to 35 cents. Ethereum's down 6% to $109. Stellar's down 6.5% to 15 cents. And the Bitcoin Cash down 7% to $160. So again, that is underperforming a lot of these coins. And then Bitcoin SV is down 5% to $94. So again, not really too much good news today. Looking at the market here, looking on the 4-hour chart on Bitcoin, you can see from the TD sequential, we did have a red 9, which means, reversal is imminent and could possibly happen. But as you can see, not much has happened with the reversal. So the next candle, Bitcoin actually went to a low of $3,729 and since has held around this $3,800 level. Now, I mentioned in my previous video that we needed to hold this 4,100 to 4,000 level. And once that broke and it couldn't break above it, also seen here by the 50-day moving average, then it continued to the downside. Now, another thing to mention is this RSI. So I mentioned as long as we stay above this 37 level, that's very bullish. But you can see it's broken down below that 37 level and cannot break above that. So again, I mentioned that 37 level is when Bitcoin, couldn't break above it and continue to the downside right here. So if we can't break above that 37 level, then I do see a lot more downside. I drew the support here at about 3,600. You can see that's when Bitcoin bounced 4 or 5 times from this level. So it's, this could be some possible support, but it's still, it's tentative. And, if hopefully we can bounce off that level if we do get there. But if not, then just brace for impact. We're looking towards 3,000. So we'll have to see what happens with that. But with that, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment if you have any questions, and please subscribe if you haven't. And again, comment on what you think happens with that Bitcoin that was transferred. What do you think is going to happen? And I'm always open to different theories and, of different people, and always open to different opinions. So with that, till next time, thanks for watching.